Happy Friday, everyone. It is Miss Harmon here with the Feel Good Friday shout out. And I am here to shout out all of the educators who were courageous enough yesterday to facilitate some very difficult conversations. Thank you to those of you who invited me into your classrooms. Thank you to those of you who provided just a safe space for students to share their concerns, share their questions, show their raw emotions. There will be times when, and more times, when our students are curious and they're scared, and we have to address injustice, culture, politics, democracy. And that's what education is all about. And we can facilitate those discussions with poise, with preparation, with patience, and not have bias or not show our bias. So, thank you to all of you who took that step to push yourselves outside of your comfort zone, to go to a place that was pretty scary, but you did it. So, I talked to many of you yesterday, and many of you were extremely nervous about providing that space for students to share their concerns and questions. But you did it, and afterwards you got some great feedback from the students, and you were relieved that you had done it and felt good about yourself. So I think there is a professional and poised way of leading those conversations. And if you don't feel comfortable having those conversations, we will be here to support you and to provide professional development moving forward, because it is so important that we allow our students to have those courageous conversations, and we show them how to navigate those conversations in the best way possible. So have a great weekend, and thank you again to those of you who took a chance, prepared for your classes yesterday, and really did an excellent job navigating those discussions. I know I thank you for it, and your students thank you for it. Have a great weekend, everyone. Take care.